Hey everybody, Tim Anderson here, aka Renfell. Welcome to this quick sort of overview. I did a several hour stream the other day working on the city map for the Forklan Docks, which is one of many maps that I'm currently working on for our campaign setting of the Weave in the Void. The Silver Trident that you see there is the ship that the player characters wind up with at the end of the first module, which is level 1 to 4. It's called the Escape from Parthana. You can get a copy of that today over at our Patreon page. It's part of the source book that you can get. It's a 2-in-1 combo deal. You can also go to weaveandvoid.com, pick up a copy there. Worked on about 25 maps or so for the original module, and right now we're in production of the next stage of things, which is the next adventure campaign module, adventure path, whatever you want to call it. I got about 30 maps that I got to do. We've currently finished up the one for Forklan, the Forklan City Docks, the Laughing Badger Tavern and Inn, upstairs and downstairs, and I'm currently working my way through the Forklan map and breaking things down into these individual maps for POIs, street encounters, and so on and so forth. I'm doing these in live stream format, so if you want to follow along for those, all you got to do is like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. I'm doing these throughout the week, usually in the late afternoons, but occasionally I might do them in the mornings as well. We've got a lot of map production to do to get through the next campaign as we work on that. Expect to be out. The module should be available for everybody by the end of the summer. We've already live streamed the actual campaign sessions later in the latter half of 2022, and right now I'm taking all that information and actually writing out the module. Chris is working on artwork for the module, and then I also have to make the maps as well, so that's what we're working on here. So if you like all that stuff, stay tuned. Don't forget, if you are a subscriber at the Game Master tier over at our Patreon page, you do get all of these maps delivered to you as they are completed, along with all the original maps that were produced. You get the adventure modules delivered to you, the source book, and everything else for being a subscriber, so check all that stuff out. Support here if you can. Like, subscribe, hit that bell icon. Memberships here on YouTube go a great way towards supporting the channel. You can also drop super thanks, super chats, stickers, and beyond. Don't forget the Discord. Links are all down below. Thanks to everybody for your support, for following along, and hopefully you enjoyed this little speed run of the stream that I did the other day. Until next time, everybody, stay safe. Happy gaming.